Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cosmic effect on CapCut. So before I show you, this cosmic effect can only be applied to a photo on CapCut. So here's how to do that. So for this cosmic effect, I add a video in the first at the first section, and then I'm adding a photo in the second one. And here I'm going to click on the photo and then go to style, and here is where the cosmic effect is. So here you can just swipe until you find the cosmic effect. So click on that and wait for it to finish generating. Okay, it has been applied. Just click on a check icon and then it'll go like this. So I'm going to add transition to make it more dramatic. Okay, I'm going to just add the black fade here, and then here what the result for the cosmic effect. Okay, so you can also add sound to make it more dramatic. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.